Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika, the channel where we talk about the designing, the templates, the graphics, and everything about the designing. We made a lot of the tutorials. I have made a lot of the tutorials. I'm going to leave that in the card section above if you're new to this stuff. But in today's video, I'm going to be talking about few amazing designing application that you can very well use on your mobile phone, because if you are like me who prefer to use the mobile instead of your laptop or desktop, then this video will really going to help you, because I tried to find the mobile version of whatever software or whatever platform are you using. I try to find that one, and once I find them, then I'm really in a good shape. So it depends on you, but today I'm going to be talking about few amazing designing application which you can very well use on your phone. So let's dive in with today's video. Consider clicking the like button, guys. I do really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon. We upload video every single week. When we do so, you're gonna get notified about it. Also, we have our other channel where we talk about making money online as a creative person, as a designer, as an artist. Make sure you check it out, that channel. The link is in description box below. Let's talk about the designing applications. Now, I have already made a few of the video talking about different kinds of the designing applications, mobile applications. I'm going to leave those videos in the card section above. And all the things that I'm going to be sharing in this video are based on my own experience and knowledge, which of the application I have used personally and which I find more relevant, more easy, more simple, and amazing applications that help me actually make my own design. So the first designing application that I would really recommend you is kind of like a free as well and have a premium plan as well, is the Canva. Yes, if you're not aware with the Canva, they do have a mobile application as well. In fact, I have made an entire video to actually exploring the Canva mobile application. I have personally tried that and I was sharing that screen and that video. I'm gonna leave that video in the card section above. Make sure you check it out. If you don't know about the Canva mobile application, you're only using their desktop application. Canva has an amazing mobile application and I love them. I use them on a consistent basis when I want to create some designs where I'm not using Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator. Then I preferably use them because it's go-to-go platform, go-to-go application on my phone itself. It has a free version and paid version as well. You can get started with completely free. You don't have to pay for anything in the beginning. Quite simple, quite straightforward, and easy to go. Let's move on to the second option that I have for you, is the Ibis Paint. Now, Ibis Paint X, I have already made a video about Ibis Paint X. I'm going to leave that video in the card section above. In that video, I was actually exploring in front of you guys how you can use the Ibis Paint X application in your phone to create your artwork. Now, this is an application which you can use to create your designs and digital art as well. Like, you need a stylus to actually work on this particular application, because you would be drawing your characters or you're drawing your illustrations. So you do need a stylus. You do need a one to actually create them, because you can't create with your finger. It would be too thick if you're using your finger. Again, it depends how you want to go, but it has a free plan and premium plan as well. You can get started with the free plan and you might watch some ads on their application to actually access the premium features for 18 hours, I guess for 18 hours. Once you watch one ad, then you are getting all the premium brushes for 18 hours. And then after the 18 hours, you can watch another ad and then you're gonna get another 18 hours to get the access to their premium features, the premium brushes. And if you don't want to watch the ad, then you can very well go with their premium plan as well. I mean, you can get started with that. It's a great go-to-go application for creating a digital artwork, for creating a designs. I do create a digital artwork. I mean, I do create it on the piece of paper as well. I do create a digital artwork as well. That's why I love that application. It has a lot of the different brushes. So much flexibility, working with the different layers, working with the different symmetries, different styles, and all that stuff. I highly recommend for you if someone is getting started with the digital artwork and you really want that kind of application. I think they do have iTunes soft application as well, but they work pretty well on the Android. I personally use on my Samsung phone and I'm pretty much happy with that. I would highly recommend for someone who is getting started with the digital artwork for designing. I would highly recommend that. Last application is Sketchbook. Now, I personally tried Sketchbook for 1 or 2 times. I never tried. If you want me to make a video talking about the Sketchbook and how to use the Sketchbook and exploring them with you, let me know in the comment section below. I'm gonna make a video talking about the Sketchbook and exploring them and actually reviewing the Sketchbook mobile application, because it's also a great one. You can sketch and paint on your device with the feel of freedom of drawing on paper. It's the similar kind of like Ibis Paint X application where you can draw it's more famous for the digital artwork rather than for the designing, but I think that probably you can use it for designing as well. You can create the designs as well. Of course, you need to have a stylus for creating an artwork or a design in this application, but I think that it's a great way to get started with that. And they do have a great reviews, 4.2 reviews on the Google Play Store. I mean, they do have the iTunes option as well, and they are actually there in the editor choice, so they do have a good reviews and good downloads. So I would recommend you if you're really starting with that. Let's move on to the another application. That application is Infinite Design. This one I never used personally. They have got kind of like a 3.9 reviews on a Google Play Store, 10 million plus download, and you can create a vector graphic on this particular mobile application. So I think it's used for designing. Moreover, you can create a vector graphics. So you are infinite canvas, you're getting pan, zoom or rotate, intuitive path editing, Boolean operations, align and distribute objects, superior tools they have. Like you can experiment with the different types of the symmetry. They have the 4 different kinds of the symmetries. They do have the unlimited layers, unlimited undo with the history and sliders, scrub through from start to finish. Easily construct shapes with a pen tool, draw 3D cityscapes with 5 different perspective guides. Like you can have a different kinds of the perspective guides with 3 tools. You can have a text tools like the horizontal, vertical, circle or checks on path. The streamline interface they do have. You can export and import the file as form is the SVG, PNG, JPEG, and these are the 3 different kinds of the file formats you can export. So I think that you can very well give you a try with this particular application. I haven't used it personally, but I have heard a lot. Let me know if you want me to make a video or reviewing this particular application. Let me know in the comment section below. But let's move on to the last application. The last application I have for you is Vista Create Insta Story Maker. Earlier it was called as a Crello, now it's called as a Vista Create. I have already made a video talking about the desktop version of the Vista Create. I'm gonna leave that video in the card section above. You can check it out. But this one is, you can check it out, the Vista Create Insta Story Maker. They have the mobile application. They have got the 4.6 reviews on the Google Play Store. I think it's pretty good reviews. So you can very well try. You can create the graphic design, ads, maker, posters, stickers, stories, use templates, effects. It's kind of like a similar to the Canva, kind of like an alternative to the Canva which you can use. Of course, it's not that popular in comparison to the Canva, but I think that this could be a very go-to way application if you're looking for an alternative for the Canva. And they do have in their free plan to have a background removal, like transparent PNG background graphics option they do have. So that's pretty interesting, because in the Canva free version they only have this particular option in their premium plan. So that's amazing. They are having in their free plan the option to remove the backgrounds and have a transparent PNG background file format. So that's it for today's video, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Do you have any experience with these particular applications? Have you ever used them? Let me know in the comment section below. Or are you looking forward to use them? Or do you know any other design or drawing application that works pretty well for you? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm gonna be updated myself as well, and I'm gonna be also using that particular application as well. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. I'm gonna see you the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.